Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into waster. 7 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Wastrel, which means a wasteful or good-for-nothing person. Wastrel. For example, her money was gambled away by her wastrel of a husband. Number 2. Drone, which means a person who does no useful work and lives off others. Drone. For example, the university takes all the profit and redistributes it to drones like him. Number 3. Idler, which means a person who avoids work or spends time in an aimless or lazy way. Idler. For example, you were not brought into this world to be an idler, you'll have to set your mind to something. Number 4. Laggard, which means a person who makes slow progress and falls behind others. Laggard. For example, staff were under enormous pressure and there was no time for laggards. Number 5. Lazybones, which means a lazy person often is a form of address. Lazybones. For example, come for a healthy walk then, lazybones. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.